another video. We have a new unboxing today. Just to fill you in, I have already done this video with the girls, but we had a bit of a technical issue. We recorded all the video, and then when I went to edit it, it was glitchy and the voices didn't match. So I was like, I have to do it all again. I've got to do the whole video all over again. And I'm afraid you just have to put up with me. I'm sorry. I know I'm boring. Okay, so this month's box we've got is the Papergang box. I've been waiting for this for about a month because longer than a month, probably 6 weeks. Because I ordered it in August, so I thought I'd get the August one. But they waited till the end of September to send it to me. So it did wait a long time. Okay, so this is the box. Let's have a look, see what's inside. If I can open the box, that would be good, wouldn't it? Okay, so it comes in this sleeve. So Papergang on the top. Excuse my address on the back there, and then it's got like a little reward chart on the back, like that. Yep. And then it comes in a cardboard, just a plain cardboard box. And when you open the box, obviously the tissue paper is a bit scrunched up because I've already opened it. But you get that. And on top of that was, the first thing on top of that paper was this Papergang patch. So when you subscribe to Papergang and you get your first box, you get one of these iron-on patches. And it says, "I'm Drew, I'm the leader of the Papergang. I'm an iron-on patch to make your membership official. Let us know how you're getting on with your goodies using the hashtag Papergang on Instagram." So that's that one. So yeah, that was on top of that was on top, obviously, yeah. But we've already done it. And then inside it says how Papergang works. So it says, we think of fun ideas for the coming month's boxes. We work with illustrators over the globe or in our own team to design the product. Our illustrative creations are brought to life on the stationery, and then a box full of the papery goodness arrives at your door. And it also says they work with tree aid, so for every 4 boxes that they send out, they plant 1 tree. So that's good, that's always good. Help the environment. And then it also says share your pictures and videos with the hashtag Papergang and follow on the Papergang on Instagram. So that's good. Let's get cracking. So I'll take the paper off. First thing we get is this little booklet, the Papergang by Oh Dear. And inside is a little quote from the person that has the box, or has the box. I'm useless about the girl, see, useless. The person that designed the box, sorry. And then it's got the contents, so it says this is box number 31. And it tells you what you get in there. So I'll put that one there. And also in the leaflet you've got let's chat with Gemma, so that's an interview with the designer. And then some quick fire questions with the designer there. And then some little cut out things there. And it says you can get a free box if you refer 2 friends. Well, I'll put the link below, and if you fancy getting the box or you want to have a look, you can do it from there. Alright. Okay, so first thing in the box is this. It's a November planner. So it's got all the days of the month on there, and at the bottom it's got things that you might have planned through the month. So obviously you must get the one for the month, the next month, because it doesn't come on the beginning in the first of the month. So. Right, next is Have a Couple on Us. Tea Pigs, Retro Joy, Chocolate and Mint Tea. So a cup of tea, that's quite nice. Yum yum. And on the back it's got a code for 20% off a Tree Pigs order. Okay, then we've got like this tracing paper envelope. I'll take it out so you can see what's in there. See what the envelope looks like. It looks quite cool. On the back it's got a little sticker. And then inside it's got some stickers. It's got 4 sheets of stickers. It says not the worst, okay, decent, good enough, fine. So they're quite good. They're not obviously not, well hey, well done, that's brilliant, excellent, woo. They're just like, I think this box it's got like some kind of theme to it. Because on the slip that you get your box with here, it's got things on there that says, I asked for help, I didn't bottle it up. I didn't pretend I was fine when I wasn't. I remembered to breathe. I survived a panic attack. So obviously there is some kind of theme to the boxes. But I'm not sure how it works really, I don't know. Okay, next item is a snake pad. It's about A5 size. All the pages are the same. It's got the same as what we got on the leaflet. Same design. Everything's going to be okay. Notepads always come in handy, don't they? Everybody likes a notepad. I know I do. Right, next we've got this. This is it's just like a wall planner or something. Yeah. Same design. Oh, you can see it's quite big. On the other side, it's got the days of the month on there. You can write all the little bits on. Autumn begins. Oh look, it's autumn tomorrow. Yeah, autumn tomorrow. That's because it's rained all day, yeah. So that's the last day of summer, and we've had rain all day. Typical. Okay, now we've got an A4-ish. These are all made in the UK as well. An A4-ish notepad. It's just lined inside, and it's got good. Oh, and in the top corner there, it's got a little spot for the date, so you could use it as a journal. That's quite good. It's all really good quality stuff. These are really nice. So that says unbreathe. We've got a little. I assume that's a cat. I don't know. Maybe not. And then last but not least, we have this. It's just an A4 piece of card with the design on there. That's it. That's everything in the box. Empty. So let's have a look at the little booklet, see if there's any prices in there. I lost it, here it is. I can work out the prices on my watch if I can find my calculator. Yeah, there we are. Okay. Okay. So it says your contents: an A4-ish notebook printed in the UK, £4.95. So I imagine that's that one. £4.95. Yep. And then it says an A5-inch notebook. So must be that one. £5.95. And then there's this A4. This is A4 Riso print. This is £8.95. Well, that's what it says. I'm not fibbing, look. £8.95 it says. Don't know about that, do you? Okay, never mind. That was the academic wall planner, that's £4.95. £4.95, yep. And then the sticker sheets, they come up as £3.95. £3.95. And then obviously these are on, so these are obviously like free gifts that you get every month. They don't really put any value onto these, and that's obviously a free trial for the tea bags. Is that it? That's everything? Yeah, that's everything. So that works out at, that'll give us, oh, hang on, I lost it. Drum roll. Girls like here to do it. I don't know if you can read it. £28.75. So that's good. Oh, and the patch. But the patch has got no value because you only get it when you remember. I knew there was something else I hadn't done. So the value of the box is £28, and what did I say? 75p. So that's good. And I pay, I think it's £10 a month and £2.95 postage. £12.95. So it's not too bad. And like with stationery, especially in this house, we always need it. Well, there's no pens in there. No pens. And we always run out of pens in this house. I don't know about you guys, but I know I am. I can never find one when I want one. But we'll probably use all of that. I might put that academic calendar up, either in the bedroom or downstairs, so that'd be good. So yeah, I like that. I like that very much. I think we're going to keep it for another month, see what we get in the next one, so we get a good idea of whether it's worth keeping or not. So yeah, I hope you like that box. Let me know in the comments what your favourite thing was, and if you get this box, let me know what you think of it and if the other months have been any good. And that's it. Hopefully we're going to do another video soon. I'm going to try and get it into a routine of uploading once a week, because most of our videos are unboxings, and we like to do them as soon as they come. So, but we are going to try and do like a few makeup videos because we haven't done one of those for a while, and some review videos. And let's see how it goes. But yeah, I hope you liked the video. Sorry the girls aren't here and you had to put up with me. I hope you don't mind. And please like and subscribe, comment down below, let us know what you think, and we'll see you again soon. Take care, bye!